Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Chainlink from Kraken to Phantom Wallet in 2025. If you're holding Chainlink, Link, on Kraken and want to move it to Phantom for better staking or security, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transactions are permanent, so let's do this carefully to keep your assets safe. First off, before we jump in, make sure you have the basics covered. You'll need a verified Kraken account with some Link tokens and Phantom Wallet installed on your device. Also, ensure both platforms are updated to the latest versions for 2025 compatibility. Things change fast in crypto. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section and find your Link tokens. Click on Withdraw next to Link to open the withdrawal page. Step 2. You'll need your Phantom Wallet address. Open the Phantom app on your phone or computer, go to your wallet overview, and copy the address. Pro tip. Double check that it's the correct Ethereum network, as Chainlink is an ERC20 token. Now, paste that address into the Withdraw to field on Kraken. Enter the amount of Link you want to send, be mindful of any minimum limits, and review the estimated network fees. These can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Step 3. Hit Confirm and follow any additional security steps, like two-factor authentication. Once submitted, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. Finally, switch to your Phantom Wallet and wait for the funds to arrive. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network conditions. Once it shows up, you're all set. A quick word of caution. Always verify addresses to prevent errors, and never share your private keys. That's it for this guide. You've just mastered transferring Chainlink. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.